In this video, we will learn how to match the label and fill the box. It is 8 in the morning at the hardware store in Tagum City. Maria starts her shift, and the first thing waiting is a sheet full of empty boxes. Before she helps customers or stock shelves, she fills out an important workplace document. Those empty boxes may look simple, but each one has a purpose. Filling them in correctly helps keep accurate records for both the worker and the company. By the end of this video, you can fill in any workplace form, the right information in the right box. That sheet is a form, a sheet with boxes to write in. Next to every box is a label, a short word that tells you what goes in that box. A form keeps a record, a written note that proves something happened. It can show when someone arrived at work, who received an item, or who visited the building. That's why every box matters. Here's the process. Step 1. Read the label. What does the box ask for? Don't write anything yet. First, understand what information belongs there. Step 2. Find the matching information. The clock, the calendar, your own name. Use the correct source for the information instead of guessing. Step 3. Write it neatly in that box. Your writing helps other people read the form correctly later. And step 4. Check your work. Does each label match its information? Quick check can catch small mistakes before they become bigger problems. Maria's sheet is a daily time record, or a DTR, where a worker writes when they came in. Step 1. Read the label first. The first label here is a name. Steps 2 and 3. She finds and writes her full name, Maria Lopez. She doesn't put today's date there, because the label asks for her name. Same steps for the next label. Date. She writes June 30, 2026. One label left. Maria arrived at 8 a.m. So which label should 8 a.m. go in? The time in box. That label asks for the time she arrived. Step 4. Check your work. Every label now matches its information. The most common mistake is the right information in the wrong box, a name where the date goes. That is a rush error, not a reading problem. So let's slow down. Before you write, read the label one more time. Taking a few extra seconds to check the label is much faster than correcting a completed form later. Now it's your turn. Jomar is visiting a warehouse, and the guard hands him a visitor sign-in slip. He arrived at 10:15. Which box does 10:15 a.m. go in? Is it name, time in, or purpose of visit? Time in. That label asks for the time he arrived. That is the whole skill. Read the label, then match the information. Let's keep 3 words. A form is a sheet with boxes. A label is what goes in the box. And the record is a written proof it happened. To complete a form, read each field label and match your information to the label that asks for it. Do that on every attendance sheet, receipt, and sign-in slip, and your records stay true.